6.3 section is solving equations. And solving equations kind of fit into several categories. Let's say you have variables on one side. Right. If you have variables on one side, all you really need to do is look to isolate your variable term. So how would we do that in this problem? What would we do to both sides? Good. So if you add 8 to both sides, you get 6x is equal to 18. And then once you isolate the variable term, you want to completely solve for the variable. And the way that you would solve for the variable is you'd, again, undo any operations. In this case, dividing by 6. Okay, so real simply, okay, I would encourage you to check your solution. It's really easy to check on this one because you can just plug it in. 6 times 3 is 18 minus 8. Does that equal 10? Yeah, it confirms your answer pretty quickly. All right, you might also see variables on both sides. If you see variables on both sides, the result really isn't all that different, or the steps really aren't all that different. Okay, right here what you're going to do is you're going to, again, isolate your variable term. But it's going to take multiple steps. So you move your x's to one side, your constants to the other. Again, it doesn't matter which side you move it to, but if I add 2x to both sides, I move all the x's over here to the left. In the same step, I can isolate my variable terms by moving all the constants to the right. And so in looking at this, I get 10x net on the left. I get a negative 10 net on the right for my constant. And then do the same thing. Solve for the variable by continuing to undo operations. So undo, divide by a 10, and you get your solution. Check your solution.